Tired of creaky knees and wobbly ankles? The answer might be in your pantry. Imagine this: strong, stable legs that propel you through life with ease. No more wincing when you climb stairs, and goodbyes to those embarrassing knee cracks. Sound too good to be true? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to reveal a secret weapon for leg and joint health that's as delicious as it is powerful. My grandmother's recipe has worked for the people in our village for many years, and I'm happy to share this amazing recipe with you. Have you ever heard of tart cherries? These little red gems are packed with something called anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation, a major culprit behind weak legs and achy joints. But here's the kicker. Scientists have discovered that a specific type of tart cherry concentrate, when taken in a concentrated form, delivers a much stronger dose of these antioxidants than simply eating the fruit itself. So, the question is, how can you harness the power of these supercharged tart cherries into a daily routine that's easy, effective, and, dare I say, enjoyable? The answer lies in a simple recipe I'm about to share with you, a recipe that takes just minutes to prepare and requires only 1 teaspoon a day to see results. This tart cherry concentrate recipe isn't just about convenience. It's about making healthy choices fun. Forget chalky supplements and bland powders. This recipe is a taste sensation that will have you looking forward to your daily dose of leg and joint support. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup dried tart cherries, unsweetened. 1 cup water. 1/2 cup raw honey, or your preferred sweetener. 1 lemon, juiced. A pinch of ground ginger, optional, for an extra anti-inflammatory kick. Instructions. In a saucepan, combine the dried tart cherries and water. Bring to a simmer and cook for about 10 minutes, or until the cherries are plump and softened. Remove from heat and let cool slightly. Using an immersion blender or food processor, puree the cherry mixture until smooth. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove any remaining cherry bits. Stir in the honey, or your preferred sweetener, and lemon juice. Taste and adjust sweetness as desired. If using ginger, add a pinch and stir well. Store your tart cherry concentrate in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Now for the best part. For strong legs and healthy joints, all you need is 1 teaspoon of this concentrated goodness per day. You can take it straight, mix it into your morning yogurt, or even add a splash to your favorite smoothie. The science behind it. Studies have shown that tart cherry concentrate can significantly reduce inflammation markers in the body, leading to improved joint function and reduced pain. This, in turn, strengthens the muscles surrounding your joints, creating a win-win situation for overall leg and joint health. Remember, consistency is key. While you may feel some improvement within a few weeks, continued daily use of this tart cherry concentrate is recommended for optimal results. So, there you have it. A simple, delicious recipe that packs a powerful punch for strong legs and healthy joints. Give it a try and feel the difference for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy recipe hacks and fitness tips.